Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here, and today we're doing a study tips video. I don't know much about academics. I mean, I'm a senior, I've done fairly well, and this video was pretty requested. Like, people always ask me like the best ways that I study and my personal tips, so I figured I would just compile a video. I probably have videos like this up, but I'm just refilming it because I've gotten a lot of new subscribers recently, so I figured this would just be something like informative and helpful to have on my channel. So if you're in college, be sure to comment down below, tell me what grade you're in, where you go to school, all that good stuff. I love connecting with you guys, it's super fun. And speaking of that, if you want to go follow me on my Instagram, I'll leave right here. I've been posting a ton recently, and that's like a really good way to keep up with me and see a little more behind the scenes of like my social life and stuff at college. It's a good time. So yeah, I just made a list of how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like 6 or so tips, and I'm just gonna kind of run through them. I would also love to hear your favorite study tips. I know that the actual art or like the productiveness of studying can be kind of difficult to do, to actually like bring yourself to sit down and like study and focus, and all that is like a whole separate entity. But these are just some things I've acquired over the past like few years that have definitely helped me. I know that I have videos like this up already, so I'll try to link them in a card. I'm also partnering up with Chegg Study for this video. It's a service that I personally use. My friends use it, my roommates use it. It's something that I know that my friends at all sorts of different colleges use, so that's so awesome that I get the opportunity to work with them on this video. So without further ado though, let's jump in. I have everything on my phone. So also, I accidentally got the same nail color as my phone, and I'm annoyed about it, so it's fine. Okay, my first tip is to use note cards, and throwing it back to middle school with this one. They're just like the white flashcard, or don't matter what color you get, but just like the flashcards you can pick up at like Target or anywhere. I usually do my shopping on Amazon, but you can just go ahead and get like white index cards and write terms on them, and do definitions, or especially if you're studying for another language, that really helps. You could even do like diagrams and stuff. I'm in an econ class now, so I'll probably utilize that for like, you know, just like certain phrases or like high inflation, low inflation, stuff like that. That is a super useful tip and really helps with memorization. There are tons of online softwares that do flashcards, but I would definitely recommend doing it handwritten because I just feel like it jogs your memory better. My next tip is to study in groups, and this one you definitely need to know yourself, because if you're one of those people that gets super easily distracted by friends and like side conversations, I can be really bad about this. So I try my best to study with people that are like very focused and like efficient. Keyword try. Some of my friends and I just get like really distracted, but you know what I mean? Just studying in groups of people that are very like attentive and like willing to focus is super helpful. It's great because you get different points of view, and sometimes the way that like the teacher is teaching a subject, you might not be able to grasp it, but having a friend explain it to you in a more casual way or in a way that they think about it can really help you and make the material stick. So I found that that really helps, especially for classes that are kind of more conceptual based. Like, I don't know, like for a lot of my math classes, I'll probably do it for my like econ class, stuff like that. It's kind of hard to grasp the concepts just being like explained to by a teacher, so kind of like working it through in a group and doing the problems with friends definitely help. Okay, third tip, pretty obvious, go to class. And I'm literally the worst. Like, I didn't go to class today. I don't know why, I just was like, I don't want to go. So that's definitely a big one. I mean, the teachers literally will give you test answers in class. I mean, they have to get their test material from somewhere, and usually they say it in class. So just going and paying attention and being an active listener and not being on your phone the whole time, because if you're on your phone or your computer the whole time, you might as well not be there in the first place. That's the way that I look at it. So I would say go to class and pay attention. This is something that I need to start taking my own advice on. So don't think that I'm like perfect and trying to sit here and be like, I am the perfect student. Like, no, I literally didn't go to class today. Like I said, how many times do I have to repeat that? Okay, we get it, Brooke, but you know what I mean. It's like just the easiest way to learn, and it requires no extra effort on your part because you're already enrolled in the class. Like, you should be there, so you might as well just go. Okay, these are bug bites, by the way, not bruises. I swear, I'm a little concerned, but it's fine. Okay, my next tip is to delegate time for your classes outside of class. So like, I'm enrolled in 4 classes right now, and I schedule time for each of them in my week somewhere apart from class time, just to get things done. So I'll give myself like an hour per class, like somewhere in my schedule during the week, and that'll be my time to like catch up on all of the homework or assignments or get ahead, and that really helps me. I have homework in a lot of my classes, or just like assigned readings. Do I always do the readings? No. Is it beneficial to? Yes. But allotting for that like little bit of extra time definitely really helps, and then you don't have an excuse to to be like, oh, I didn't have time in my calendar. But if you just put it in your calendar in the beginning of the week, put it in your whatever calendar you use. I use the calendar on my phone and on my computer, kind of all syncs together. Now for the hack of all hacks, I'm gonna talk about Chegg Study. I was offered the opportunity to work with them. I was super excited. Chegg Study has everything you need to get through those tough study sessions or those tough homework problems. It really just makes it all a breeze. The website has a variety of student tools ranging from like real live tutors. You can get an answer back in as little as 2 hours with their live tutor program. So if you have any questions, you can just kind of like submit them on the platform. You literally just can send a picture of like your textbook and get help from some live tutors, which is so nice because you don't even have to leave your house to do it. They have a Chegg Study app, which is so great because I know when you're on the go during like midterms, final season, sometimes you don't always have your computer on you and you're literally, this is literally me, like when you're racing on the bus from class to class and you're trying to maximize your time, you can literally pull up the app on your phone. Like how dope is that? Getting all of this assistance shouldn't break the bank and be super expensive. So luckily with Chegg Study, it is not. It is affordably priced and you're in luck because I have a coupon code for you guys. I love Chegg Study because they have so many practice problems on there. So awesome. I personally am like a learner based on like doing some practice problems. So that is so awesome to me. And they break down every step of the answer, which is really nice. There's no guessing. It's not just like, here's the answer. It's like, here's how we got the answer.
For $5 off your first month subscription, go to chegg.com, that's chegg.com/BrookeMiccio, and use the promo code BrookeMiccio.
Love Chegg. Thanks again for partnering with me on this video. A very exciting partnership. Okay, my final tip for this video is just to stop getting distracted, which is another tip that I need to take my own advice on, but sometimes I'm really good about it. An app for your computer called Self-Control, which blocks a lot of apps. You can choose what you want it to, what like websites and stuff you want it to block. Like I always find myself on Facebook or even LinkedIn, networking gal, but you know what I mean. Or honestly, I'll just put my phone on airplane mode. That's definitely something that works. Or if you're like studying in your kitchen or something, leave your phone in your room and just try to practice some self-discipline and don't take it out. It's kind of hard, I know, it's really hard actually, but I just find that if, oh my god, I just saw my reflection in my window and I nearly had a heart attack. I thought someone was out there. You know what I mean though? Just try to practice that self-discipline because I get so distracted if my phone is sitting right next to me when I'm studying. I'm just constantly texting or like going on Snapchat or whatever, so don't do that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it for you guys. Check out Chegg Study down below, and I think that that's all that I have for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all in a video super soon. Bye guys.